Chuck and Nancy, they rule from way up on a hill, promenading and salivating over that next Marxist-like bill. They're so very woke and truly on our side. Let's all get in their van and let them take us for a ride. You keep your bodyguard and I'll look after mine. A pistol-packing sisterhood is what this brother has in mind. South of the border, with all their gun rights taken away, the cartels and the government tell them what to do and what to say. The common folk there are so helpless and abused. Heaven help us if they ever lit the fuse. Criminals and movie stars, politicians and elites agree. Take the guns from those other guys, just don't dictate to me. In 30s Germany, they first disarmed all the Jews. And many others right after that. That is in case you didn't catch the news. So Israel and Switzerland, they embrace this history. A pistol-packing sisterhood ensures against tyranny. A pistol-packing sisterhood is what the framers had in mind. I'll take my boom-boom stick that suits this brother fine. While way back in World War II, Hirohito knew it to be so. Any Japanese invasion, well, he told his armies no. With the U.S. population so very armed and able, he had no choice but to take invasion off the table. Gun rights are for hunting, some would love you to believe, but a pistol-packing sisterhood ensures against tyranny. Now Michael Bloomberg, he just hates those pesky guns. He says his world without them would be a better one. Now just try to meet him to debunk his fervent stand. You'll meet his bodyguard. Say, what's that in his hand? Criminals and movie stars, politicians and elites agree. Take the guns from those other guys, just don't dictate to me. A pistol-packing sisterhood is what the framers had in mind. I'll take my boom-boom stick that suits this brother fine.